Welcome to Napoli. Living area features extended tile floors and glass slider to LANI. Living area is also light and bright. Screened LANI features a nice view of lake and wooded area. Kitchen features granite countertops and tile backsplash. Kitchen. Master bedroom is spacious. Master bedroom. Bathroom. Bathroom. View of home. Lovely grounds. Community tennis. Community fitness room. Billiards room. Bird's eye view of amenities. Clubhouse. Community pool.